You're welcome to my channel. Thank you for checking back, and if this is your first time on this channel, kindly do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. This video is specifically for those who do not know how to withdraw their dogs tokens. Once you open the dogs mini app, you are going to click on deposit to exchanges. It's either you withdraw to exchanges like Bybit, OKX, or you withdraw to wallets in Telegram, or you also withdraw to non-custodial wallet. As you can see, this is not yet enabled, but it will be enabled by 28th of August 2024 when the tokens will be launched. So we are going to first of all check the wallet in Telegram. You click on it, then you click on open wallet in Telegram, then you click on continue. It says verification complete. Remember that you will need to complete your verification. First of all, you need to verify your wallet in Telegram. I've just made a video on that, and I've dropped the link on the comment section and also on the description box. So you go ahead and click on yep, keep going. If you click on I confirm, your tokens will be airdropped to your wallet in Telegram, but you can only see it on 28th of August. But I don't want to use that. I want to choose another method. So I'm going to deposit to exchanges, and I want to deposit to Bybit. As for OKX, if you are in Nigeria, please do not use OKX. Only use Bybit. So I click on Bybit, then I click on send here. You say, do you have a Bybit account? In case you don't have a Bybit account, I have dropped the registration link on the comment section and also on the description box. But if you do, click on I have it. Then you will need all these three pieces of information: your Bybit UID, your dog's deposit address, and your memo. So let's head over to Bybit. Once you open your Bybit account, you are going to head over to assets. When you come to assets, you click on deposit, then click on deposit crypto. There are a lot of coins or tokens here, so you would not be able to scroll down and look for what you're looking for. So what you're going to do is to use the search engine. So you click on this place, then you search for dogs. This is dogs here. Just tap on it. When you do so, you select chain type, turn. Then this is very important, this notice: if you make any mistake in your deposit address or in copying of memo or tag, then just forget about your dogs. Consider your dogs lost. So it's very important that you take note of this notice. Then here is our deposit wallet address. We are going to click here to copy. Then you minimize and go back to Telegram. Click on the dog's deposit address. Here. Then you paste. As you paste it, make sure you don't touch any other thing. Even if you add a dot, a full stop, then the address will be wrong. Then copy your tag or memo. Just click on that paper sign. Come back here, click on memo and paste. Then let's also go back to Bybit and copy our UID. UID is your special code to identify your account. So you come back to the home page, click on your profile picture, then look at your UID here, just tap on it for you to copy, and I've just copied it. Then come back to Telegram, click on Bybit UID and paste. Then you click on send. If you are okay with it, then you go ahead and click on I confirm, but you must know that you need to pass KYC on Bybit first before you'll be able to do this. So as you can see, there was no use of Telegram stars to claim airdrops. That was a misinformation that came earlier on. You only need Ton for you to claim your airdrops to non-custodial wallets, that is Ton Keeper, Trust Wallet, My Ton Wallet and the rest. And that will be on the 20th of August when the tokens will be listed. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.